Hello children, welcome to EVS class. Today let's start with a new topic. Before that, tell me children, have you all observed the sky? What can you see in the sky? Yes, we see the sun, the moon and the stars in the sky. Children, we see the sun during daytime and the moon and the stars we see at night. And all these, the sun, the moon and the stars are called heavenly bodies. Or heavenly bodies means what? Heavenly bodies means the natural objects that are visible in the sky are called heavenly bodies. Like the sun, the moon and the stars. Children, what does sun gives us? The sun gives us heat and light. And the sun is called a ball of fire. The sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. We see the moon at night and the moon keeps changing its shape every time. Look children, there are so many stars in the sky, but we cannot count them. They look very beautiful and twinkle at night. Now open your EVS activity book, page number 65. Let's read. Topic is nature. The sun. We see the sun in the sky during the day. The sun rises every morning. The sun sets every evening. The sun gives us light and heat. Now turn your page children. Page number 66. The moon and stars. Let's read. At night we see the moon and stars in the sky. There are large number of stars. The sun, the moon and stars are heavenly bodies. Like this you have to read. Okay children, bye-bye.